Hello, this is Jonathan Kamen, reaching out to you, talk to you today about a really cool application called Gizmos, and they have a lot of kinesthetic lessons for kids, a lot of hands-on stuff. I find that that's been pretty successful in helping out our kids during this e-learning time. So I wanted to share that with you today, give you a brief overview today, and we'll get a chance to explore it in a lot more detail of this particular lesson that we're going to be working on Thursday. So just to get started here, we're going to share the screen with you. And we have over here, we go to a new web browser, could be any browser, and you type in the word Gizmos. You type in the word Gizmos, Explore Learning comes up, and that is the main website area to go find the Gizmos enrollment. And there is going to be an opportunity for you to also enroll at no cost right now during this e-learning period of time. So as we go in here, I'm borrowing the account that actually was set up for me with my content area coach, Miss Wolf. And if I go in, this is basically an overview about what the page looks like over here. So over here you have the classes, and you can have up to 6 classes that are set up over here. Over here you can find different gizmos based on different topics of research. And there's a lot of really good features here, and I've only scratched the surface as I've learned how to do this during this time. The one piece here that was really helpful, I thought that was a really good piece, was building Pangea. So we were talking about continental drift theory. So as we go into that, this is something where if you want to add to one of your classes, you press Add Class. But over here, if you notice here, it gives you a map of what the world looks like, what the different continents look like, and it shows that proof of the continental drift theory and how that occurred. And the kids got to see that firsthand by manipulating the different pieces. So if we launch the gizmo over here, this pops up over here, and I'm just going to go over a couple of brief tools that we're going to be using on Thursday. So we're going to have a couple of groups that have evidence, where there's no evidence. There's fossil evidence, there's rocks, and there's glacier evidence. And what's interesting is that it'll pop up on the map over here to help you basically fit the continents together, see how they started out, and then understand how they slowly split apart. So over here, just as an example, we'll take the continent of Africa. We can manipulate it and move it around. If you go to the edges here, you can actually rotate it. So the kids can do that, bring stuff together, bring the continents together. If they are struggling a little bit with the puzzle, putting the pieces together, you can always reset. So this is what we're going to be using on Thursday. Hope you get a chance to come and check it out. And hope it's a helpful tool to help those kinesthetic learners that want to do hands-on stuff to manipulate things, to see how things fit together. And I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.